Hello. What's up? Um, Today I've decided to give you a tutorial. This is what I normally do. I manage companies projects. I manage resource projects. I manage even students projects. So I'm all around, and here is what I've done, so that you can see. And if you need any project management, I'll be there to assist you as a student. As you know, students they have a lot of they maybe they're busy, and they need help. So I think I'm here to help. Yes. Now, this is a project I did uh, some 2 days ago, and as you can see, this I'm using IntelliJ as my developer software. So this is an application I did, and if at all you have any tasks over the same, so I'm here. I'll help you with it. So let's begin. Here, this is the project. As you can see, he's still loading. Let's wait. As you can see, these are the codes. These are the codes. So the way you see it is called, the project is called Advanced Java. So Advanced Java application. So when you have a software like Angular, like an IntelliJ software, so we have backend, and when an application is running, it always have backend and front end. So here is how I develop. I developed a backend. As you can see, there's backend there. Let's go to main. Yes, we have Java. Actually, I'm using Java. That is now the language I'm using. As you can see, this is now the backend frame. The backend. So this UI is the Angular. That is now the front end. I'm using Angular. So the backend is here. You can see. Let's see the configuration. So the configuration is, we have API config, we have course config, we have all these are the backend. We have converter, we have all that. So these ones are the codes, the classes. These classes, they call when you run the Angular calls, it calls back in a backend, and it produces what is there in the backend. So let's see. Let's run the application. General running of the application. Let's run it, and then we straightforward go to the Chrome. We see how the address, we are using the address 8080 address. You'll see how it will run. So if at all you have the same assignment, and you need help, you have a coding assignment, C++, C#, Python, all that, PSPG, SQL, all that, those languages, HTML, CSS, Java, all those. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. So just post your project, and if at all you want even a PA, you want what, all that I do. So I'm managing people's portals. I'm managing people. You can see it's running now. You can see it's running. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. Give it time. Yes. So yeah, it's running. So as you can see, it's running. I'm here to help students globally, and this is what I normally do, and I'm ready to help. Many students have passed through my hands, and all of them, they do graduate. So if at all you have the same task, you need help, I'm here, and I'll help you. So let me see. I just want to show you how the sorry, how the app is running. Just want to show you how the app is running. Okay, now it's done. So let's go to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome and see what it brings. Okay, now here is Chrome. Okay, so let's open another so you can just type let me type 8080. Let me type 8080 there. 8. Yeah, so we have a localhost here, 880. Okay, let it open. Okay, taking time, but it's opening. To open. There it is. So generally, now that's it. That's it. So if you know, you have the concept. So that's it. If you have the concept of what is happening, you know what I mean here. So this live time zone. As you can see, this live time zone. The time zone is running. After 10 seconds, it changes. After 10 seconds, it changes. Yeah, there you go. So and if I show you, I can show you the codes I used in building the live time zone. So we have time zone controller. Let me go here in rest. So I put them in rest. See, so we have time zone controller here. So when I open time zone controller, it will show the codes. Yeah, so the codes are here. So this API, it just pulls, it just requests for it just requests for the controller to run, and then in Angular, let me show you in Angular here. Here's where Angular is. I called it UI, so that is Angular. When you talk about Angular, we are talking about the front end. That's the front end. So let's open. Yeah. So under Angular, we got HTML, component CSS. As you know, component CSS, you know, CSS is all about how you want the format of the font display and all that, the color, whatever, the font size, you know, that is CSS. And HTML is now the display, the main display of what your front end will be looking like, your front end will be displaying. Okay, so as you can see here, yeah, we got room search. So when you go back here to our, when you scroll down you can book a room. Let's say today is first, so let's say second, then come down here let's say you want a house to 9th. So when you submit it will give you that. In fact, the currencies are there because this hotel is in Canada. So, and we have international currencies. We have CAD, that is Canadian dollars, US dollars, and we also have euros. That's why I displayed all of them. Even it has the exchange rate. So when you book a reserve, that's what it pop-ups. And then this is where we have a presentation daily. So there it is. So let me show you where I wrote presentation in the codes. Let me show you where I wrote presentation in the codes. So there we go. I open the HTML. So under HTML, let me scroll up. Under HTML, you can see there's join our presentation on solar system management. Yeah, and then we have time zone. As you can see, the requesting message of time zone. There is no hard coded here. There is no hard coded codes. So there it is. Let's go back here. You can see there it is. Join our presentation of solar system management anytime from below time zones. So the time zones are live. All this phase was created. It was blank. All this phase was created. It was very blank. Thank you for watching. Just contact if you need any help. I'll be posting another video for MATLAB. These are the projects I do, and if you're a student or maybe you're working class and you are too much busy, and you need some office help, up here, I'll give you the number down there. Thank you for watching.